So hi guys, it's the Holy Week and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are on the beach right now using the holidays for their mini vacation. But for our family, we normally just stay at home, go to church, or maybe even later go to a Visita Iglesia. So today I'm gonna show you what we do on Holy Week and what we eat. So please watch this video. Today for lunch we're gonna have nangka. It's like kumbang nangka. It's made of unripe jackfruit, and later we're gonna have some binignit. That's the landang, one of my favorite ingredients of binignit. And we also have sago and bananas and kamote and other root crops. So this is gabi. It's like, yeah, it's like a cross between kamote and ube. And of course we have kamote, which is the sweet potatoes, and of course coconut for the gata. We also have buwad, pinikas to go along with the jackfruit. Since ganahan kong hanghang ang akong akong humbang nangka, ako siyang butangan ng senior sili hot sauce. So shake it well. Muna yung sili demonyo, mas halang, made of ghost peppers. Ayan. Ngaon ta. Kasi sa akong pagkabuhato na ni S, ibahog sa kanon ang sauce. Namian ko ako niya ka nahalang-halang, so yeah. Uso ni sa Bohol pero uso sa niya to sa ubang lugar na ganahan og gata. So I really like our lunch today. The humbang nangka really goes so well with senior sili demonyo. Yeah, it's nice to have it kanang tangan siya hanghang gamay kay gata and chilies really go together, and man, it's a joy in the mouth. Even if there's no meat, the flavors are there. You're gonna enjoy it. So try it out. Try out some humbang nangka with senior sili. It's 3 p.m. It is time for Binignit. So the best yung binignit kay tamis eh. Paborito ginako ning marag sabaw kay nian kay kung lang isang sabo. Ang saging na tamis. Tapos ang kamuti. Wow, awesome yun. We're continuing our Easter tradition. I'm with Nezte, Bheeboy, Mariz, and Steph. And yes, we've been doing this for years. It's time for Visita Iglesia, and our first church this year would be the Peace Convent, the Big Sister Peace Convent here in Fortuna. So our second church is the St. Joseph Parish in Mandaue. Third church is the Chapel of Pedro Calungsod here in SMC St. area. The fourth church is the Cebu Cathedral. So our next church is the Basilica del Santo Niño, and we're here for our 9th and 10th stations. So our 6th church is the Sacred Heart Parish, and our last church should be Pedro Calungsod Shrine here in So this is our 7th final church. We completed the 14 stations, And I'm so happy that I have friends who were with me to this day. I mean, for years already we've been doing this, and we look forward to another Visita Iglesia next year. So part of our Visita Iglesia tradition, normally we go to a place to eat after going to several churches. And today we're here at Carlos Batchoy to have some batchoy before we go home. So mani akong wanon batchoy na super matanga na to pain. Magsakit ng ngapit. Yeah. Gamay lang. Uy! Good luck! So guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And of course, advance happy Easter.